In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SKU codes to your Etsy listings. If you want to keep your shop organized and make inventory tracking much easier, adding SKU codes is a simple but very effective step. A SKU, or stock keeping unit, is basically an internal code you create for each product. It helps you identify items quickly, especially if you sell across multiple platforms or store products in different locations. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add that code directly inside an Etsy listing. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Etsy listings interface sheet. Once you're there, make sure you're in the area where all of your product listings are visible and editable. This is the central place where you can manage listing details, pricing, and inventory information, so it's the right starting point for this process. Next, click into the item listing you want to work on. This will open the editor menu tools for that specific product. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct listing before making any changes, especially if you have similar products with small differences like size, color, or style. Staying consistent here will help prevent confusion later. Once the listing editor is open, scroll down until you reach the inventory matrix or the individual pricing section. The exact layout may vary depending on whether your item has variations, but this is the area where Etsy allows you to manage stock-related details. If your listing includes multiple variations, you may see separate fields for each option. If it's a simple listing without variations, you'll likely just see one SKU field. Now click into the SKU text field and type in a unique systematic code. For example, you might use something like VNTG Chartier 1. The important thing is that the code follows a clear structure that makes sense for your business. Many sellers use abbreviations for product type, category, material, or sequence number. Whatever format you choose, try to keep it consistent across all of your listings so it's easy to search, sort, and reference later. After entering the SKU, click Publish to save the update. This makes sure your listing now includes that tracking code, which can help you manage inventory locations more smoothly across multiple systems. It's a small update, but it can make a big difference in staying organized as your shop grows.